Bike swap.
Alright.
I get to ride a bagger Sportster.
Sort of modded touring Sportster. Better seat, I'll give you that.
Oh, dude, that Mustang, hell yeah. It's much better seat than the Solo.
Oh my god, yeah, dude.
Yeah, good luck. We only got like 5 minutes.
Right, yeah. Oh, I like these bars though. I see why you like them.
Dude, right?
Not bad.
Holy love bugs.
Holy love bugs.
Oh, yes. Forwards.
Forwards, right? Yeah, I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh, geez, man. Wow, you sit way lower.
Yeah, dude. Dude, I gotta get forwards. Oh my god.
Dude, good lord, man. Whew.
Oh yeah, and when you barely let out that clutch, it goes. Side note.
Oh my god, I would never ride with mids again.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel like I'm gonna fall off the front of the bike.
Yeah, the exhaust sounds good on this.
Yeah, I mean for 140 bucks.
Yeah.
Not bad. Jeez, I feel like my knees are like in my elbows.
Yeah.
Oh man, the clutch lever is just like
super loose, yeah.
stupid loose.
That's how I bought it back. There's a couple things I need to fix on that.
Man.
The indicators on the bar clamp, like you get a green oil light on it now.
Oh, I just went over a bump.
Because all the LEDs have shifted over.
Yeah, right. My left turn signal indicator light doesn't work, but the rest of them work.
Yeah.
And that happened like at like 200 miles on the bike.
Yeah.
One of those things
dang,
I
man.
haven't fixed.
I can totally see how you could, you know, go across Texas with this. That front windshield is nice.
You know, windshield. Well, when I went across Texas, I didn't have a windshield and I had a half helmet.
Oh,
so
damn.
That was horrible.
Yeah, that's terrible.
I wanted to get like the true biker experience.
Yeah.
People were telling me like, you need to ride with no helmet, no windshield. So I was like, I bought into it. I did it. And
it's like, say you get a bug in your teeth.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't care now. I'm like, screw that. I'm just going to get a windshield.
That's right.
For these longer trips. Today would have been impossible with the love bug.
Yeah, for sure. Man, with the windshield, it does give you this kind of buffeting.
Yeah, it's you have to adjust it, like the height of the that like adjustable part.
Yeah.
And I have it adjusted right now for lower speed stuff, but when I do get on the highway, I crank it up a little bit higher.
Nice.
But the problem with the windshield is I couldn't tilt it back enough based on the turn signals and everything and where the handlebars are to get it to angle enough to where it would create a good enough flow going over your head instead of it just being like a flat wall.
Right.
So, you know, it is what it is. It's still a heck of a lot better than just going without a windshield.
Oh, for sure. Yep, I could see. I mean, especially on the trip that you took today.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, man, I could feel.
You'd be wearing all that.
Oh man, it'd be
instead of it just being on the top of your helmet, you'd be, you know.
Oh, it'd be all over the GoPro. It'd be all up in my neck.
Yep.
Horrible. There's nothing like bugs in your beard.
Bug beard. I was at Orlando Harley yesterday, and somebody came up and they're like, "Oh man, I'm such a big fan." I'm like, "Cool, thanks, man. You know, appreciate the support. You know, let me get you some stickers." Right. Had a whole conversation with them about bikes, and then I walk up to Miss Blockhead afterwards, and she's like, "You got some Cheeto in your beard." I'm like, "Fuck!" Like I had Cheeto in my beard the entire time I was talking to them. I'm like, damn it.
That's great.
I'm like, why didn't they tell me? Come on, man. If you're a true subscriber,
they were starstruck. Yeah, so they're like, I want that piece of that to just have like, in my garage.
It's like, I can't tell him that he has Cheeto in his beard.
I'm a nobody. Oh, man.
Guys, if you ever meet somebody and they got Cheeto in their beard, let them know they got Cheeto in their beard. That's right. It's like, we want to know so we no longer have Cheeto in our beard. I mean, I'm not saving it for birds or anything. Or. Yep.
Oh, man. Wow, I mean, when people say Sportsters are cramped bikes, like, they must be talking about Sportsters with mid control.
Yeah, dude. This like, is such a better ride with forwards. This is amazing.
Man. Like, I feel like I'm like almost in a cannonball position.
Yeah.
Going to school. That is incredible, the ergonomical difference. Like the rider triangle and all that.
Attention! I need listen, I need everybody's attention. I have an urgent and very important news story. Cannonball!
Oh my god. I feel like when I'm trying to hit the real brake, like I'm wanting to like do a little toe tap on the ground.
How tall did you say you were?
What's that?
How tall are you?
6'2".
6'2", yeah. Yeah, I feel cramped up on it, and I'm 5'10".
Yeah.
So, yeah, definitely need some forwards. These are awesome. Where are these, like Harley brand, or did you just get these?
Yeah,
like,
those are Harley brand. They threw them in when I bought the bike. They offered up to throw the parts and labor of putting in the forwards like with the loan.
Yeah. At
the day of buying, and I was like, well, shoot, I'll do that. Like,
they're like, anything we can do to get this fucking 6'2" dude on this little bike.
Yep. Woo, this thing is jumpy.
Yeah, man, you barely let out on the clutch and it's wanting to go.